In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a survey using Circle.so in 2025. Whether you're a community manager looking to gather feedback or just someone who's interested in the capabilities of Circle, this guide will walk you through the process smoothly. To start, make sure you're logged into your Circle.so account. If you haven't already, head over to the Circle.so website and enter your login credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll arrive at your dashboard where you can manage various aspects of your community. Next, look towards the left side of your screen where you'll see a sidebar filled with different options. Click on Spaces. This is where you'll decide which particular space in your community is going to receive your survey. Once you've selected the space that is most relevant to your survey, you're ready to move on to the next step. On the top right of your selected space, you will notice a button labeled Create Post. Go ahead and click on that. This will begin the process of drafting your survey post within the chosen space. It's an intuitive setup that allows you to reach out to your audience effectively. After selecting Create Post, look for the plus icon, click on it, and from the drop-down menu, choose Form/Survey. This option is specifically designed for creating forms and surveys, streamlining the process so you can focus on the content rather than the technicalities. With the survey form now open, it's time to add a compelling form title. Click on Add Form Title, and think about what will grab your audience's attention or succinctly convey the purpose of your survey. Once that's done, you can start adding questions. Circle.so gives you multiple options for question types: text, multiple choice, checkbox, and more. It's important to take a moment here and consider your community's needs and preferences to ensure your questions are relevant and easy to answer. Now scroll down to the visibility settings where you'll choose who can respond to your survey. You can restrict it to members only, make it open to the public, or tailor it for specific members. This feature adds an extra layer of customization, helping your data collection be as focused or broad as necessary. Once you've customized your survey to your liking, click on Publish. Your survey is now live in your selected space and ready for responses from your community. To view the responses, navigate back to the survey post and click on Responses within the post. Here you'll see the submissions gathered from your community. Circle.so even allows you to download a CSV file of the responses, making it convenient to analyze the data outside the platform. And there you have it. You've successfully sent out a survey using Circle.so. Gathering insights from your community has never been easier, thanks to this straightforward and efficient platform. Whether you're new to Circle